Good morning, little Jimmy. It is time to wake up and start a very happy new day.
Yay! I am awake. The sun is very bright. I am ready to eat a big breakfast today.
Time to get up now, kids.
Yay!
I am still very sleepy. Can I stay in my warm bed for 5 more minutes, please? No more sleeping. Put on your slippers. We do not want your feet to be cold today.
Kaka! Look, Mother. I can make my bed. Now the bedroom looks very neat and very clean now.
What do you want to wear? Pick a shirt and some pants for our morning walk downstairs.
I want my red dinosaur shirt.
Let's put this one on today, sweetie.
No, the red dinosaur shirt. It is my favorite shirt in the whole wide world today. I like these pink stripes.
Do I look pretty today?
I am ready to go downstairs now. I cannot find my socks. Are they under the bed or are they in the white closet?
Ha! Here they are.
Yay! Thanks! I found them.
Put your socks on your feet. Now we are ready to go eat breakfast. Follow me, children. Let us walk to the kitchen. We must be very quiet and very careful.
1 step and 2 steps. I am walking down the stairs. It is a long way down. My tummy is making a loud noise. I am very hungry. Is the kitchen near this door?
We are here. Welcome to the kitchen. It smells like sweet fruit and fresh bread in here.
The sun is so high. It is a beautiful day to sit at the table and eat.
First, we must wash our hands. We use soap and water to make our hands very clean.
Look at the bubbles. They are white and round. Washing my hands is a very fun game. The water feels very cold. Now the bubbles are gone. My hands are clean and very shiny.
Use this blue towel. You must dry your hands before we touch the food on the table.
Our hands are dry now. We are ready. How can we help you cook the breakfast today? I will pull out the chairs. Please sit down, Jimmy. We are getting the table ready now.
Take this blue plate, Jimmy. Put it on the table. We need 1 plate for every person.
Is this for my cereal? I love this yellow bowl. It is big enough for many flakes. The glass is full now. I will carry it to the table. I will walk very slowly.
1, 2, and 3. We have 3 cups. Now everyone has a drink for the breakfast today. Look inside this drawer. This is where we keep the silverware. Can you see the shiny spoons?
This is a spoon for my yogurt. It is smaller than the fork. I like the silver. What is that long thing? Is that a knife?
I know that a knife is very sharp. Yes, that's a butter knife.
I am putting a napkin here. We use a napkin to keep our faces very clean today.
The table looks perfect. We have plates, cups, and spoons.
You both did a very great job. We must mix the flour and milk. This is batter. It will become yummy pancakes very soon.
The pan is very hot now. Do not touch the stove. We must be very safe here.
Okay. Ooh, look at the white circles. They are growing bigger. I can hear the sound of the cooking.
1, 2, and 3. I flipped the pancake. Now it is golden brown and it smells good.
Ooh, yeah. The stack is so high. It looks like a tall tower. Can we put sweet syrup on?
Watch me crack the shell. The egg falls into the bowl. The center of the egg is yellow.
I am stirring the eggs. They are soft and yellow. This is a very healthy breakfast today. I am peeling the orange. The skin is thick. The fruit inside is very sweet and juicy. I am washing the purple grapes. They are cold and wet. Now they are ready to eat.
The cooking is finished. Everything is ready. Let us sit down and enjoy our big breakfast now.
This syrup is very sweet and sticky. It makes my pancakes taste like a wonderful morning treat. Look, the yellow butter is melting. It is disappearing into the warm pancake. It looks very yummy. This strawberry is very fresh and very sweet. I like the taste of fruit with my breakfast.
Drink your milk, Jimmy. It is very cold and white. Milk helps your bones grow very strong.
It's delicious, Lena.
That's great.
We are all eating together. This breakfast is the best meal. I am very happy right now.
Oh no! I am so sorry. I spilled my milk all over the table and the floor.
It is a very big mess.
Whoa!
The milk is running down the side of the wooden table.
Do not worry, Jimmy. It is okay. We can use these white paper towels to clean up.
I will help you. I am wiping the table. Now the white milk is almost all gone. Ah!
The table is clean again.
Oh.
Accidents happen, but we can always help each other to clean up.
May I have more orange juice, please? I am very thirsty after eating all of my pancakes. Whoa.
Yes, you may.
I like how you said please. It is good to use your nice manners. Would you like a red strawberry, Jimmy? I have many and I want to share with you. Yes, please, Emmy. Thank you. They look delicious. Thank you, Emmy. You are a very kind sister. I love eating fruit with you every day.
Sharing is very important. When we share, everyone is happy and the meal feels even more special.
Yeah! I am finished eating now. My tummy is very full. That was a very delicious morning meal. I am finished too. I ate all of my eggs. I am a very big boy now.
You both ate very well. Now we must help to clear the table and wash the dishes.
I will carry my plate. I will be very careful. I do not want to drop it. Oh. I can carry my bowl. I am strong. I will help to clean the kitchen with you.
We use warm water to wash the dishes. The water helps to wash away all the food.
Can we put the plates in the machine? The machine will wash them with very hot water. That's right, Emmy. Are you ready to help? I am putting the spoon here. It goes in the small basket with all the other silver.
Put the plates in the long rows. We must leave space for the water to move around.
Okay. I will push the button. Now the machine is working. I can hear the water splashing inside.
Now we must wipe the counters. We want the marble to be very clean and very shiny.
I am wiping the table. I am moving my hand in a big circle to clean it.
I found a tiny crumb. I will put it in the trash. Oh, now the floor is clean. The milk must stay cold. We put it back in the fridge so it stays fresh. The kitchen is clean. We worked as a team. You are both very wonderful helpers today.
Yes.
What shall we do today? The sun is out and the sky is a very bright blue color.
Can we go to the park? I want to play on the swings and see the flowers.
We definitely can, sweetie.
Let's get ready. want to run in the grass. Can we bring a ball to the park today too?
That is a great plan. Let us put on our shoes and go outside to have fun.
We had a great day. If you liked our story, please like and sub for more videos.